it's Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of the Realme Buds Wireless, real base unwired. Okay, you can buy this in Shopee for 1,729 pesos. It's color yellow and orange. Okay, I think this one is color yellow based on the color of the box. Okay, so it says here is there's magnetic control, so I assume that the two earbuds can stick together. It has an 11.2 millimeter bass boost driver, 12 hours playback, flexible necklace, Bluetooth 5.0, and it's sweatproof IPX4. So as you can see there, it says it's color yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna open it now. Yeah. Okay. So you need to remove the both sides. Okay, so there it is. Yep. Ten 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 ten. Okay. May full tab naman siya kasi ayan, tigas ng ulo ni Billigan. Okay, so we have it here ready. We're gonna see exactly what's inside the box naman. In the bottom you can see manual. Okay, charger, it's a micro USB charger, and extra buds. Okay, so these are extra replacement buds. The manual, we don't need that. Volume and volume control, so that power increase, lower. This is where you plug in the. It's not covered. Why is it not covered? Okay. Anyway, so there's no rubber coating for it. That's where you charge it. Where's the power button? As you can see, it's magnetic. Okay. And looks like it's the R that you need to press so that it turns on, but I don't think there's power, so we're gonna use one of our cords that is here. I have really bad eyesight already. So you're gonna see a small LED light there turn on. Okay. You're gonna see if it's gonna power. Okay, so to turn it on, you just need to watch. Remove it, and the unit's gonna turn on. Okay, so we're gonna try to search it now. As you can see, it's there already. Realme Buds Wireless. Then you can easily pair it. And then you're good to go. So it's available in Shopee. You can buy it anytime. Current device supports AAC codec, however AAC may fail to play. Okay. So you can buy it in Shopee for 1,729 pesos. It comes in two colors, yellow and orange. Once both earbuds stick together, it turns off. See, it powers off. When you remove it, it turns on. Put it together, turns off. Turns on, turns off. Yeah. Okay, so thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!